guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to customize your home screen in iOS 26 and make your iPhone looks clean, stylish and organized. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and press and hold on the empty area of your home screen. All the app icon will start wiggling. This means you are now in editing mode. Tap the plus icon in the left corner. You will see list of widgets. Scroll and choose widgets like clock, weather, battery, calendar. To move app, tap and drag any app to any spot you like. To create a folder, drag an app on top of another to give the folder name like social or game. This helps to keep your home screen neat and easy to use. That's it. You have successfully learned how to customize your home screen in iOS 26 on your iPhone 13 Pro Max. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.